friends. Do people not value you? Do they keep ignoring you, and it bothers you a lot? But you don't understand what kind of behavior you should adopt so that people finally start valuing you. So, in today's video, I'm going to teach you 6 powerful methods. By using these, you will understand the power of ignoring. You will learn how to ignore others in such a way that they start chasing you. They will value you. They will see you as a valuable person. They will respect you. Because many times we respect someone, yet we don't get the value we deserve from them. And in such situations, you have to ignore people and play with their mind. Yes, you have to hit them psychologically so that they keep thinking about you, so that they stay lost in your thoughts all the time. If you want the other person to stay thinking about you, then don't miss even a second of this video. Millions of people watch my videos and get great results. You too can increase your power by using these tricks. So, let's begin. Everything has a limit. If you become too available for someone, if you keep running after them, your value will never increase. If you want people to think seriously about you, you need to reduce your availability. The rarer something is, the more it is desired. People always want what they cannot easily get. If something is available in every store, no one cares about it, because everyone knows they can get it any time. You need to apply this to yourself. If you make yourself too easy to get, always available, people will think, this person is always here. Why should I take them seriously? But when you reduce your availability and appear busy, people automatically start taking you seriously. They value you more. And don't just pretend to be busy. Actually, when people see that you are no longer always available for them, they will start chasing you. When someone ignores you or doesn't value you, the biggest mistake you make is overreacting. You go to them. You show weakness. You beg them. You say, please talk to me, don't leave me. And that's where they take advantage of you. They see you as low value. If you want someone to crave you, stop reacting to everything they do. If they ignore you, act like you don't care either. Show them that you can live without them. When someone realizes they are not that important in your life, they stop trying to dominate you. But when you beg, cry, and overreact, they know they control you. Then they manipulate you, ignore you, and never truly value you. If you want power, reduce your reactions. If they don't reply to your message, stay silent. Don't message again. If they ignore you, ignore them back. Adopt this attitude, and their mindset will change quickly. Never tell everyone everything about your life. Don't reveal where you go, what you do, your goals, your plans. When you reveal everything, people lose interest. There's nothing left to discover. But when you maintain mystery, when people feel like you're about to do something big, your value increases. Mysterious things attract attention. If you become an open book, people will read you once and move on. Control your words. Don't reveal all your secrets. Don't expose your weaknesses too soon. The more predictable you are, the less interesting you become. If you want to increase your value, you cannot say yes to everything. You may become someone's servant by always agreeing, but you will never become high value. A powerful person does not bow to everyone. They say no. When you stop agreeing to everything, people start wondering, why is this person ignoring me? They used to agree to everything. That curiosity increases your value. But if you keep saying yes to everything, people will see you as low value. So learn to ignore. Learn to say no. If you want people to chase you, you must upgrade yourself. Improve your body. Dress better. Smell good. Improve your communication. Improve your diet. Improve your lifestyle. Bring change daily. When people see that you are improving and becoming better than before, they start chasing you. Even the ones who left you may try to return, because everyone wants someone better, more intelligent, more confident, more powerful. So keep upgrading yourself. This psychological trick is very powerful. First, show strong interest, give attention, show effort. Then, slowly reduce it. The next day, show care again. This confuses the other person. They keep wondering what you really feel. When people cannot predict you, they become more interested. If you reveal all your intentions, people figure you out and lose interest. But when you keep them guessing, their mind stays triggered. They keep thinking about you. However, for this to work, you must stay strong. Don't show weakness. Weak people get suppressed. If you apply these tricks correctly, people can become attached to you. They may start chasing you. And if you want a separate video on how to make someone obsessed with you, comment OK below so I know you need it. If you liked today's video, hit the like button, subscribe to PulseCast USA, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching.